And it's interesting, you know, I'm an NCRS, right? And they document how the cars come from the factory.
Sure.
So I've already documented one thing that the guys forgot to do.
Oh, really?
Like, for example,
Hello everyone and welcome back to Brink of Speed. Today, as you can see, I'm back at Mark's. We've got his new C8 up on the lift because we are about to do a must-have protection modification for the new 2022 C8 Corvette. This will work on any C8 Corvette, but it is a protection mod so that rocks don't fling from the front tires back and also from the back tires out to cars that are behind you. So we're gonna put some new rock guards here and then also rock guards right here. So
very good. Hey Mike, how are you?
good. How are you, man?
Oh, excellent. I'm so excited. It's the first time I've had this thing on the lift now.
Oh, is it?
Yes. Isn't this awesome, man? You can just put it right up.
Yes.
I can wax it
Makes
right
it
like
so
this.
easy.
Oh, take the
do
wheel
work.
off. Oh, it is going to be, I can't wait. And I had it up a little higher before and I went underneath the car. And I just did a little inspection. And it's interesting, you know, I'm an NCRS, right? And they document how the cars come from the factory.
Sure.
So I've already documented one thing that the guys forgot to do.
Oh, really?
Like, for example, I don't know if you want to get close here, but you notice that the existing guards are screwed in.
Oh, yeah.
Notice I'm missing
A screw.
that screw. And so the factory forgot to put that screw in there. That's the first thing I noticed. Now, I don't...
Holy cow.
Yeah, so that's like an example of a deviation from, you know, as factory delivered.
Yeah.
That's
They missed a screw.
They missed a screw. So
Wow.
very interesting. But, so I don't know how I'm going to screw in the new one that I have. I have a couple of screws left over from when I did the bra, so I might try to use that.
Yeah, I don't know if those are going to be the same.
They're not the same. It's got
Yeah.
a different head. It's got the 15mm Torx. But
Well, that's disappointing.
it might be just for now, and then maybe I'll go to the dealer and see if I can get one of those fasteners.
Yeah.
So, Mike, which one do you want to do first?
It doesn't matter to me, man. Whichever one you want to go.
Let's do the front because we can turn the wheel.
Yeah.
And then just get at it easier.
Okay.
And that'll be a better example.
No problem.
And
Let's do it.
we'll do that.
So ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna do that, but real quick before we do, make sure to smash that thumbs up button. Again, I have amazing thumbs up merch coming out for the BOS Thumbs Up Squad. So that's gonna be probably this week will be coming out and you guys will see the reveal of that merch. Also, if you don't want to miss a single one of these videos, make sure to smash that red subscribe button and the bell for notifications when new videos are uploaded. All right, let's get started.
I'm being lazy. I don't
Look
want
at
to.
this.
I'm being lazy. I don't want to put the car down. So just put it up on in here.
You better be careful.
Oh, I do this with this pace car all the time.
Oh, okay.
I'm up here. See,
That's
this is
Stoll.
best backyard buddy. You see this? You can go in this and shake this.
Oh, yeah.
It is stable
It's
as
not
heck
moving.
because of the solid collar and the solid pole.
Yeah.
A couple of your subscribers asked me for recommendations.
Oh, okay.
Backyard buddy, American Steel, made in
Sweet.
America. Yep.
Sweet. All right, let's get a cold start. Love it. Mark, are you going to turn the tire?
Yeah, I'm turning it.
All right. There you go. That's probably good.
Good?
Yep.
All right.
All right, Mark, tell us what we're going to do.
All right, we got the front and the back. Here's the
Which one's the front?
one. This is the front one. I really like these. You know, a couple of different companies make this.
Yeah.
This
Who
is
is this by?
RPI Designs.
Oh, that's right.
I know
Okay.
RPI Designs has one, and I also know ACS has one. They're both very similar, but you can see that compared to the ones that you're taking off are just the flat black, like the front splitter, the Z51 front splitter type of material, and this is it is that same material, but the backside has the carbon flash painted on it.
Sure.
So it's kind of nice. It dresses it up a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
And then it'll sit in like this.
Right. So how do we get these old ones off?
Well,
Do we just yank?
It's kind of the yanking. It kind
I
of makes
think
me a
that's
little
all you gotta
nervous.
do.
But it's got these press in, the GM
Don't be
press in
nervous.
thing. So you just have to kind of give it a good yank.
It's
so.
like a Band-Aid.
Yep.
Just gotta rip it off.
Rip it off. We don't want to rip the scab off. But so you got it. Griot's Garage. A lot of different companies have these. These are plastic, malleable, trim toolkit. So you can use that. You're not jamming a screwdriver in there. It's a softer plastic.
Sure.
So I'm going to just stand back just a little bit. I'm going to try to do it without too much. So you just kind of get in behind it. You just gotta.
I think you just gotta pull.
Grab. Man, that is in a lot tighter.
Let me see.
I'm going to here do this. So I'm going to use. It's pretty tight. I'm gonna paper towel here. Stick it in there. And you know what I've done? This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to just a little bit of silicone in the thing. I can see it right in there, and that might see. So it just loosened a little bit, so you can see if you want to get in close.
Yeah, you can see
the clip.
Perfect. Yep.
So I got to go to the next clip. I can reach the other one. Since it's been a little tough, I'm just going to put a little silicone in it. Let's see if I can maybe just pull it out, which I can't. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to
use that. Wow, they really.
It is in. In fact, this clip stayed in with the. See, the clip stayed in.
Yeah.
So we're going to have to dig that out, which is not a problem. But I mean, it's good that they're.
All right. There you go.
So you can see 2 of the clips stayed in there.
Wow.
And 2 of them are there.
Yeah,
2 of them stayed in there. Yeah. So we're gonna have to dig these out. Just kind of get a needle nose pliers and pull that out.
Sure. You got it, Mark?
See?
Sheesh.
See? So it's
those things were not easy to get out.
They were, and I'm trying not to. It's kind of cool to see how they make the car. I think.
Yeah.
Okay, neat, and it's.
Wow.
Yep. So
he had to use these little needle nose pliers.
To
get these stupid brackets out.
Yep.
That's crazy.
All right, so let's take a look at the new one. The one is there, and it's got them in there already.
Yeah.
All right.
And it should just go right back in very easily.
So you got this little flappy here.
Oh yeah, it's got to go inside that.
Let
me show them where it goes. That goes right in there.
Yep. So we will make sure that flap goes in.
Looks like it is.
In, got that. Fold it in, make sure all are in there, and I'm going to.
Yep, there you go.
Nice fit.
Yeah.
Nice job, nice job.
Yeah.
Yep.
So in the meantime, this is what that looks like.
Kind of nice. It's got that carbon flash look to it, right?
Yeah, it is carbon flash.
And this is like what it was before. It was, just met up to this, and now this is giving that little extra.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
really
so
nice.
now the rocks will be hitting this part right here on the back side, and should be no worries to be keeping them from going back there.
Yep. Very good.
So that was a pretty simple process, getting it on, getting it off. It was a little bit more troublesome, but that's probably unusual for the C8. It was very easy on my C7 to get those off. So sometimes, you just have tighter fittings on other vehicles. And we're about to do the rear now. All right, Mark, so we got the rear to get off now.
Rear to get off, a little bit trickier because you can't turn the wheel.
Right.
So we're going to have a very small little tolerance in there. But the first thing I want to do is take out this screw, the bottom
And what's
screw.
the size of...
Size of the screw is,
it
I believe
7?
it's a 7 millimeter.
Yeah,
Yep.
7 millimeter.
So that's the one I'm going to have to get from the dealership to put on the front because,
Okay.
as you know, we weren't able to put one in the front.
Right.
Because we didn't have one. So I'm just going to put that there. You got it? Yep.
Yeah.
And so now this is free. You can see this is
Yep.
free. So I almost feel like I want to be able to push.
Yeah, there you go.
See
now
that?
that is more like my C7 was. Piece of cake. Yep, there you go. One more. Perfect.
Look at that.
See how that thing came off, ladies and gentlemen? very simply.
All right, so now let's get the other one on.
Okay.
It's really kind of cool. It's got that extra lip to it.
Yes.
Maybe that was the size of the stock one, right? It's got this extra lip, and it's painted carbon flash. Really neat.
Yeah,
so,
very
yep. So,
nice.
yep. So we are gonna see. There's an extra clip here too, at the bottom there.
Oh yeah.
So I didn't notice that. But it came out.
Interesting.
And let's get this flap in there too. Maybe you
Yeah,
want to
let
shoot
me-
them over there.
Yeah, you can see it's a very small. Let me
Right
zoom
there.
in on that. Yep, right there.
Okay. Is it in there? I think it went in. Yep.
Yeah,
All right.
it's in there. Yeah.
Am I in on all of these?
Yes, you are.
This I don't want to push to. I don't want to push my bumper off. Because the bumper's going to be coming off anyway because of the... All right, we got to get that Z51.
Oh yeah.
Z51.
There were no snaps on this one.
I didn't hear the
But I
snaps,
think it's
but
in.
It went in, yep, because I can feel it went in.
Yeah, yeah.
You didn't hear it snap, but I think it's for sure
Let me
in.
see. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's in there.
And then when the
And
screw...
then check it out, guys. There's a little lip down here to also stop rocks from coming off down here. Not just the side, but the bottom.
It comes down a little bit, yeah.
Yeah, very nice. And then we'll put the screw right there.
Yep.
And
Get it tightened in there.
here's the screw.
Okay.
I'll show you guys what's in there.
Not tight. Don't kill it.
Yeah, and there you have it.
Let's see if they...
It's as simple as that.
Yep, yep.
Now look how good that looks.
Oh, yeah. Looks
I mean, it matches up perfect with this carbon
yeah,
flash
that's
that
right.
comes
yeah.
down.
Look at that. It does. It's
and
a
then
continuous.
right there. Check that out.
Yeah, very
And
nice.
then from a distance, I mean, it gives, believe it or not, it gives the car a little bit more aggressive look from the rear and also from the front. See that? That is a nice look. So, he's very smart to protect his car from the rocks, and
Yep.
he's going to protect your car if you're behind him.
That's right,
the
because I'm
rocks.
not going to be shooting.
That's right.
Hopefully not shooting. I mean, that's still a little bit, but yeah, it's definitely worth it. I think I put it on my C7 and it was really helpful. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Very
All right.
good. Now, you know, we do have one more mod we might want to talk about.
Okay. Is it your
The
door sills?
The sill guards.
Okay.
You want to do the
Yeah,
sill guards?
let's show them.
Okay, very good. So I did one already, and I just kind of test fit it. So I'm going to open the door and show you what it looks like.
Sweet. Let's come around here. Oh yeah.
So what I did was just test fit it, and the instructions are really simple. I mean, it's just basically a big piece of plastic. See the plastic
Yeah.
coming, and it's got a little bit of Velcro here. It doesn't really do a great job holding it down. So when I test fit it, I put a little piece of double-sided tape there. So I'm not sure that I'm going to keep that, but just as a hint, when you're doing it, clean your sill off before you put it on, because I didn't. And now you can see some little dust specks.
Oh, really?
Look, see some dust. I should have wiped it off.
Well, we can get that
I
off.
might be able to get that off, but
Yeah.
maybe just leave this on. But I'm thinking I'm going to put a double-sided tape over here. But see how it?
Yeah,
it
I
can
would
float?
definitely do that.
And it doesn't come with double-sided tape. At least I don't think it did in the box that we have. It just says clip it in here with the
Sure.
Velcro. But I think
yeah,
I'm going
this
to put
is
a little.
loose.
Yeah, it's literally loose.
Yeah, that needs a double-sided piece.
A little bit
tape
of maybe
there.
like right here.
Yeah.
Yep.
Cool.
But I've already. I can feel my foot going over it.
Oh yeah.
And I
it's
know,
protected
and
now.
it's protecting it. And
Yeah.
I don't know if any of the subscribers have a recommendation for this, because as you can see, my foot's hitting here when I'm getting in. Okay, they don't like make a protector for this.
I don't know. I actually don't know if there's a protector for that.
Okay. You know, some people get the clear guard. I know our friend Bob has the clear plastic, like
Sure.
the PPF that they put here.
Yes.
And you can do that too. But I tried it. I wanted to see what it looks like. I'll maybe, if we can give an update over the next few months to see if I like it and keep it on there. But
Sure.
I do. I think I like it.
Awesome.
Yep. So there you
All
go.
right. Well, that's really going to do it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. That's actually a bonus item that we showed you there. So give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this. If you already have these on your C8 Corvette, leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think about these. And if you don't want to miss a single video like these, make sure you smash that red subscribe button and the bell for notifications when new videos are uploaded. I hope each and every one of you has a wonderful rest of your day, and we will see you guys out on the road.
Guys. See ya.